What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Octavia.Darling. If you're new here, I create content related to my locks and lifestyle, but this is a video diary series where I post every day on YouTube with no strategy, just vibes. So if you like that type of content, then go ahead and give your girl a like, comment, subscribe, and while you're at it, turn on post notifications so that you don't miss a video. So it's Saturday, y'all. It's currently 3:20 p.m. I am in a car headed to an event that I am booked to take pictures at this evening. It's for an organization. Actually, do y'all remember the video diary episode? I forgot which one it was, but I basically gave y'all a behind the scenes of me looking at the location for the event with the event organizer. Well, that's the event that I'm about to go to. It's like a fashion show for kids and stuff like that. It doesn't start until 4, but I want to get there earlier, of course, so that I can capture pictures of like the decorations and things like that before guests starts to arrive. So that's what we're doing. It's such a beautiful day outside. It's actually supposed to be the pink full moon today. So I'm definitely looking forward to seeing that after I'm done working. But other than that, y'all, I woke up so early this morning, like around 6 something. But I felt well rested. I definitely got a lot of rest last night. Just what I needed. And then I just pretty much chilled this morning. Didn't really do much other than handle some business, you know, like adulting, getting things in order. So I'm very happy that I got that out the way. But yeah, other than this event, that's pretty much all that I'll be doing today. I can tell right now that I'm probably going to be hungry very soon, which is not a good thing because I don't like to work on a clock when I'm hungry, you know. I like to be like full or at least content, and I'm more than likely not going to eat at the event because although, like, you know, clients, they sometimes, you know, offer for me to eat some of the food, I don't really like to eat on the clock when I'm like taking pictures and stuff because it's like when I eat, I like to be like in a relaxed mode. I don't like to eat and rush and then have to consider, oh, I need to take this picture, or no, oh, I need to take this picture, or oh man, I missed that moment. I wish I captured that. Like, I can't focus. You know what I mean? But pray for your girl. Pray for your girl. And y'all know what I was thinking about while I was getting ready? I'm like, wait, is tomorrow Easter? Like, because I noticed that there was a lot of Easter egg hunt there was a lot of Easter egg hunt events going on this weekend, and I don't know why it just didn't register to me that tomorrow's Easter. Wow. That says a lot. Yeah, so let me go ahead and go in here. I'm not sure if I'll be able to really capture too much of the event because if I'm gonna be taking pictures and trying to film at the same time, that might be a little too much. But if I can, then you all will get the behind the scenes. But if I can't, we'll chat after the event.